It's almost 7 o'clock and we're just now leaving. We're definitely late start Larry today. Today. Anyway, did you guys want to go scrapping still? Even though it's getting late?
Yeah.
I don't know. Usually I'm wrapping it up by about this time of the evening, so we'll get out here and we'll see what happens. Maybe Hosey and the boys have wrapped it up themselves, you know? Look at that, it's all zip tied together. It's like they were expecting us. Anyway, that's handy. I like when they make it convenient. Hey, at least we aren't gonna get skunked on a Wednesday, because it's Wednesday for a Wednesday. I think this little move out's been putting stuff out for several weeks now. I would imagine this probably works. Has the remote. What is this one? I have no idea. Nice selection of yard tools. A brand new pull net. We gotta call housekeeping already. Take the mop bucket, leave the mop bucket. I'm gonna leave the mop bucket. Anyway. It's got wheels on it. Somebody made a mess. vertical with it. Good enough. Scoop. He was staring at me, so I gave him a wave. I'm gonna pick up these toilets. I'm just kidding. Let's get the ubiquiti type shelving. We should probably send it verticalized too. We might eventually. Got a little bit of wood on it there, but we'll take it. Nah, we took their mailbox. Scoop. That's those square fold-em-up tomato cages. It was hiding. Something. I think these guys have been putting stuff out. See anything we want? Ooh, clothes. Bunch of clothes and blankets and jeans. And a clothes basket. Okay. We'll donate them. You think Mr. Scrappity should donate them? That's what we'll do. They're not folding proper. I think that's why they got rid of them. Could have just left that right where it was. Probably would have been better off. That ain't gonna hold nothing. Watch, we'll take all this garbage and then turn around and find like 14 washing machines. Nike slides, lady shoes. More lady shoes. Tubs. I don't know. We'll set them out for free. That's kind of like donating, ain't it? And a tub. Okay. Hey, better than we found it? I don't know. Hey, Nacho, check me out. Are you a fan of a fan of a fan of a fan of a fan? Hey, look, it's got wheels on it. Damn, that's a big fan. Anyway. Looks like it might have a slight electrical issue. It's in a buggy. Wagon. It's a wagon, not a buggy. My bad. They could use a cleaning off, but a couple fire pumps. Something. We dropped the piece. That dog was going to eat us alive, huh? Hey, these things sell really good up there at the flea market. I don't know. That looks about like your average Wednesday, I guess. Whoa, I try not to get run over. I try not to get run over. Good enough. Something. Hey, it all adds up, right? I would say, how about some dusky drive time, but my drive time device fell off the windshield. It decided to leave the chat, Marty. Anyway, speaking of Marty, do you think he ever got his tools and got out of the junkyard? I'm just saying, if you know, you know. It's a thing. And the thing is, you don't ever want to walk away from your tools when you're at the junkyard. It's a pick and pull. Somebody will pick them up and pull away with them. Anyway. Take some flower pot. Refill dirt. Not quite enough to make the garden 5 foot longer that way. Maybe this way. I don't know. I guess we need to start adjusting and getting used to this coming back when it's dark thing. It'll be happening here before you know it. And next thing you know, we'll be jumping out and picking stuff up that's covered with snow and little dogs. Anyway, and I'm back. We're back. Anyway, got a big giant fan. Might be the biggest fan I've ever had in the wagon. Had to stop and get some pop. Anyway, that's what we got.
God, there's a bat. There's a bat.
Did you see a bat?
Yeah, it was up there. The bats. That's why I have protection.
Well, you got a hoodie on.
Oh my God, there's one right there. Look, oh my God.
Yep, there goes one.
Is that a real bat though?
Well, yeah, it's a real bat. What do you think, it was a fake one?
I thought it was a bird. Oh my God, there's another one.
Birds are all doing nighttime things. They go and they find their
Oh my God,
their
it's
tree.
flying right over us.
Their tree. Yeah, he's catching bugs. You want to see something cool? Watch this. Look. Come over here so we don't hit my windows. Look, you take a little handful of this, just this littlest stuff like this. Watch. Let's see, where'd he go?
Oh my God, there's a shooting star that's coming.
Watch, we'll make him swoop down at our head. If you throw these little pebbles up in the air, he thinks it's bugs, and he'll swoop down after them.
Oh my God, I don't want to be in this.
Why not? It'll be fun. Come on. Why?
What if they bite us?
I don't. Then we'll live forever.
And then it my full protection. And then my full protection.
I don't see him. I don't know where he went.
I see it.
Okay. Anyway, let's go inside. And we're back. You guys have fun. Oh yeah, I got all that still.
Wait.
A little slow tonight, isn't it?